DAIHAN Scientific Group is a total laboratory solution provider in Korea. Hello, everyone. We will introduce the incubator of DAIHAN Scientific. The following is a description of the components of the incubator. Components of the incubator consist of 2 PE-coated wire shelves, 8 shelf hooks, power cable, user manual, quality warranty, and inspection sheet including the main body. The following is a description of the product installation in the incubator. Place the incubator on a hard and flat surface. For ventilation and fire prevention, leave at least 20 centimeters from the rear wall and at least 100 centimeters from the sidewall and the ceiling. Check if the rated voltage of the mains is appropriate. Use the power cable supplied with the product to connect the product to the mains. Next, mount the shelves. The incubator is equipped with a glass door that allows you to see the inside without opening the front door. To mount the shelf, open the front door and glass door, and hang each shelf hook on the groove inside the chamber at the desired height. Place each wire shelf on a pair of shelf hooks. The following is a description of how to use the incubator. The product's main body has an air duct in the right center of it. You can control the air circulation volume in the chamber with it. It has a power switch, a fuse, a safety knob, and an RS-232C port on its right top of the dryer. Turn on the power switch. Before operating the product, make sure to set the safety knob 50-60 degrees Celsius higher than its actual operating temperature to prevent overheating. This is a description of how to use the regulator. When you turn on the power, you'll see the timer setting mode. You may set the timer up to 99 hours and 59 minutes in a minute unit. Set the timer to 0 o'clock and it will run infinitely. Set the time you want. Press the push button and the timer will start. The timer LED indicates whether it is working correctly. The alarm sounds when the timer runs out. In the timer setting mode, press the main button to enter the temperature setting mode. You can set the temperature setting up to 70 degrees in increments of 0.1 degree. The minimum set temperature must be 5 degrees higher than the temperature in the room where the dryer is installed. Press the push button, the heating operation will start, and the heat LED will turn on. Press the main button on the temperature setting mode. It will enter the locking mode. You can see the current temperature and remaining time in locking mode. The settings won't change even if you rotate the job dial, and the state will remain unchanged even if you press the push button. You are advised to maintain the locking mode when operating the product after you set the temperature and the time. Press the sub button under each setting mode. It will enter the respective sub-mode to set temperature correction, the delay timer, etc. For detailed information on the sub-modes, visit DAIHAN Scientific's online shopping mall and download the user's manual. For your safety, if the incubator's door is open for more than 10 seconds, the display will show error 3 and a beep will sound. This is a description of the main features of the incubator. The digital PID control realizes the best temperature accuracy and uniformity. Moreover, a patented jog dial is used to maximize the control easiness. The 3-side heating zone installed on the product is a high-performance heating mechanism, which realizes the best temperature uniformity and accuracy. IF model, a forced air incubator, inhales air from the top of the product by a fan installed at the rear of the chamber, and circulates the air to the bottom with heaters on 3 sides. This method provides excellent internal temperature uniformity and accuracy and facilitates quick drying. On the contrary, for the IG model, a gravity air incubator, a heater attached to the outer wall of the inner chamber heats its inside. The internal air is heated as being circulated literally in the natural convention without a fan. This method is occupied when there is a risk of contamination if the fan is used, or when drying a sample that may be blown if it is used. We have obtained CE certificate and UL certificate, which are safety certificate in Europe and America, respectively, and GD mark, the excellent design mark. The following is a description of the main specifications of the incubator. The IF model can heat up to 70 degrees Celsius in increments of 1 degrees, and its capacity comes in 50, 105, 155 liters. The IG model can heat up to 70 degrees Celsius in increments of 1 degrees, and its capacity comes in 32, 50, 105, and 155 liters. DAIHAN Scientific's incubator can be manufactured as non-standard, and IQ/OQ validation is also possible. I briefly introduced DAIHAN Scientific's incubator. Visit DAIHAN Scientific's website, and you will find more world-best items. Thank you.